Good morning, students. Today we will study regarding the excretory system of human beings, and this is the diagram of the excretory system. First of all of you are aware of the word what is excretion. Excretion means to remove out or to give out the waste product or waste material which is no more of use to our body. That is called excretion. And how or what is the excretory system of our body we will study today. In human beings, in excretory system, okay, whatever the waste material we are excreting out, what all comes under it? Any unwanted salt, ions, urea, uric acid, anything which is not digested by our body or which is present in excess amount has to be removed out from our body, and that all comes under your excretion. And excretory system of, here is the diagram of excretory system of human beings. Excretory system of human beings consists of two kidneys. One is your left kidney and second is your right kidney. You can see here the shape of the kidney is bean shaped, and there are two tubular structures. One is red colored and one is blue color. You can see in the diagram. The red color tube like structure is called as your aorta artery. This is called as aorta artery. The blue colored structure is called as inferior vena cava. So since there are two kidneys, left and right, this aorta artery and your inferior vena cava gets divided into two more tubules which are called as renal artery and renal vein respectively. So what is the function of this aorta artery? This red color tube like structure which is called as aorta artery, it brings in the oxygenated blood. It brings in the oxygenated blood from the heart to the kidney, and this blue colored artery vein which is your inferior vena cava, it carries deoxygenated blood to the heart. So it carries deoxygenated blood to the heart. So there are two tube like structures coming down from the kidneys, and these are called as ureter, and ureters get connected to the muscular bag like structure which is your urinary bladder. At the end of the urinary bladder is your urethra from which the urine is passed out, and the act of passing of urine through the urinary bladder is controlled by urethral sphincter. It's a small muscular flap like structure which controls the opening or closing of the urethra.